Hardscape.com. We're taking you through this beautiful project with our Pietralavica Gray and the installation of our hardscape sand with heavy polymers. So after the polymeric sand is swept in and compacted, a blower is used to remove the excess sand that's on the surface of the paver and make sure that it's about a 1/16 to an 1/8 of an inch below the surface of the porcelain pavers. You don't want your poly sand to be on top of your porcelain pavers where your hot tires are going to be able to tread and pick up and remove the poly sand. So this is also an important step. So we're going to be taking you through step by step of the application of the polymeric sand. Stay tuned for the completed videos.